Okay, the time has come. My mystery box came in today. Super excited for this thing. Thank you, Discmania, for putting these together and making them available. Let's cut her open. Careful when you're using a knife. And go ahead and pop the top. Oh, don't look too close. This is my first mystery box from Discmania, so I'm super excited to show you what comes inside. It looks like some of it just got moved around a little bit. Haven't opened this up until right now. So it comes with this really cool information packet. Put it off to the side if you're like me. Shogun. Well, that's not super exciting. Off the top, kind of a cool stamp. But, okay, what's next? Ooh, got an Instinct here. 171 gram. Not sure if that's a neoplastic or not. Somebody wants to comment in the comment section below and let me know. But got an Instinct right there. Pretty cool. I like the color. Don't know if I like that the stamp's the same. Maybe this will be one too. Oh, crap. Just a premium Rockstar. Not bad, but it's just a Rockstar. I was thinking maybe I got two back-to-back. That would have been pretty cool. Then, ooh, old school one. Discmania X Out. This one will probably be made by Innova. Ooh, and it's a GTD2. So that's like the G plastic, G Star plastic by Innova, however you want to say it. Kind of gummy. I like it. I believe that one's pretty understable if I'm not mistaken. I've not thrown this type of a disc yet, so that makes me pretty excited to have one. Be able to test that out. And I've seen a few of these online, and all of them have been geniuses pretty much in that orange plastic. So that's pretty cool. Cool little design. I already have a Genius. Not super thrilled about that, but that's okay. Ooh, my distance driver. I throw Enigmas like crazy. This one is the most different color that I've ever seen one. 175, exactly what I would like it to be. And so, yeah, pretty cool. Man, I got another X Out. They did get some old plastic put back in here, so I'm pumped about that. Made by Innova as well. This is a I thought it said P2, it's a P3. I've never thrown a P3 before. I know a friend that will probably want that instantly because he throws P2s like crazy. And so maybe we'll have a trade on our hands. You never know. Ooh, a Method. Ooh, I've not seen this color Method. This is like a blue, kind of gray on the edge. And this should be a vapor plastic. Yep. I've only seen these in orange so far. 174, that's a good weight. And so I've been throwing this a lot recently. Good size mid-range. Just a little bit of turn at the end. I don't think it's a 3, but it does have a little bit of turn, maybe a 2, 1.5, something like that. Then you get a beautiful little 15-year pin that you can do whatever you do with pins. And nice little sticker. I don't know what that says. Whatever. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Don't forget you have this in the bottom of your box. Ooh, that MD1. That's a cool looking stamp. Don't know how well you're going to be able to see it on there. I'm trying to get it out of the light so you can see it pretty well. But overall, that's a pretty cool stamp. What's the weight? 179. That's a heavy one. I like it. Let's make sure it does say MD1 down there, and it does. And that new Italian plastic with that fire red. I can't wait to throw this one. I think I'm going to like this one from everything I've seen online. Pretty cool stamp. So we got that MD1. Oh, as I'm breaking my beautiful box. That fun stuff. If you're into that. We got that Method. That's vapor. We have this P3. Enigma. Genius. That GTD2. And then we have the Rockstar. And that Instinct. The Shotgun. And that's it. I do have a group of my friends and me that are going to be opening up all these boxes together. I did do a sneak peek and showing you this now because I'm one of the only two that has a YouTube channel. And so it'll probably be on Joel Sheely's page. And so Joel, I'll link him in the description, will be unboxing 6 or 7 of these all together. So you'll see lots of different combinations and what's in each one of the boxes. And I'll bring mine too. But check out Joel Sheely's page, great disc golfer. and always has tons of mystery box content and other content on there. I also have a lot of content as well. I do a lot of disc dies. I do car repair and home repair videos, so please like, subscribe, comment if you do have any questions. If you know anything that I don't know about these discs, let me know. I've only been playing for about 1.5 years, almost 2 years now, and so I want to get better and know more about the discs. So if there's anything in here that is super rare or awesome, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching.